This is Kimberly from Visual Artisan, and she's doing some faux painting to this garage door. I have the front door that we're doing, but Kimberly's doing a technique here with the set coat. In order to give it a texture, she's dapping on the product, as you can see how much that texture is and what she's doing. But ultimately, what she's doing, the dapping, will flatten out once it dries, as you can see how it flattens out, which is still fine. It gives us some texture and it'll complement the whole door once we're done. So again, visit us at visualartisan.net if you like to have a free quote.